So today we are going to make shawarma. I call it perfect shawarma recipe. This is the outcome of the shawarma. It's a good one, and if you try this recipe when you follow me from the beginning of this video to the end, you will enjoy it and you will love it, because this recipe is good for anybody, no matter your age and your health condition. These are the ingredients that we use for the preparation of the shawarma. I'll be using chicken lap. I will not use the chicken breast. So let's get started. I've already washed the chicken and now time to season it. This is bay leaf. Season it and boil it till soft. Cook it till soft. This is thyme. That is the spices that I'm adding. The thyme, the salt, a little bit of salt. That is curry powder. Just a little bit of it. Then turmeric powder. I'll add a little bit of it. Then pepper soup spice, a little bit of it. Then next is the seasoning cube. I'll add a little bit of seasoning cube. Then this is my sliced fresh pepper. Just added a little bit of it. The next is onion, sliced onion. Just added a little bit of it. Then I will give everything a good mix and set it aside to stay for some minutes before boiling it. I will cook it till soft. Next is to prep our veggies. This is cabbage. I will slice it, but not very tiny. This is the shape I'm giving it. This shape is good for shawarma. It's a very nice shape for it, and it will make it to have a fine look and better results. The next is green pepper. This is the shape I'm giving it. This shape is also good for it. The next one is carrots. I'll use grater to grate it. The part that the opening is more wider, and you have to be careful while doing this to avoid injuring yourself. This one is the fresh tomatoes. I'll just slice it, not too big, not too tiny. Just give it that shape and set it aside. Then the chicken is ready, and I'll remove the boneless part of it. As you can see me doing it, I'll use fork to hold the other side and use knife to slice it out. For the fact that you couldn't get chicken breast, is not a good reason or a better reason not to enjoy shawarma each time you want to. So this is it. Just do it this way. Remove the boneless part of it and the bone. You don't use the bone part of it. Then cut it this way. After removing it, you slice it this way. With this method of slicing it again, you will notice whether there is still bone inside. If you notice any bone, you can still remove it at this point. As you can see me doing, you shred it more so that it will be enough for the shawarma. Every part, every bite, you will feel the chicken. Next thing is to stir fry our veggies. Just added a little bit of olive oil and the sliced onion. Fry a bit and add the fresh tomatoes. Then the remaining ingredients, just add it. Then stir fry together. A seasoning cube. Stir fry together. Then the remaining fresh pepper, sliced fresh pepper, just added it. Then next is green beans, green pepper, just added it. Then the protein, the chicken, just added the chicken. Next is the carrots, just added the carrots. Next is the cabbage. Then give it a mix, a good mix. Then it will be ready. The next thing is to now wrap the shawarma. I will use the shawarma bread, that is the shawarma wrap. I'll spread the shawarma cream on it and spread it out like this. Let it touch every part of it. I will not use it to, I will not use the cream on the veggies because I've already stir fry it and that is how I love it. Each time I mix it with the shawarma cream together, the veggies, I don't like the taste. It comes out too much in my mouth, which I don't like. I just like it simple like this. Then I'll now add the stir fried veggies and protein together. I'll add it there. As you can see me doing it in a straight form so that I'll be able to fold it, hold it like this and fold it. I like it like this, not much, because children will be part of the people that will eat it so that it will not be too much for them to handle. This is it. And when you notice that it did not cover very well, you do it this way. You apply more of it and now cover it. You can as well use salad cream in place of shawarma cream. This is it ready to enter the oven. I've preheated the oven for 5 minutes, so just allow it to stay in the oven for a minute or two. It's now out. I'll now cut it open and you will see the goodness of this shawarma. Please, if you got value from this video, please don't forget to like this video, give this video a like it, and comment, and also subscribe. Don't forget to do that, please. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please support me by doing that. This is the goodness of the shawarma. If you try this out, you will love it. You will not regret it, and just try it. If you have been using other recipe, just use this recipe and compare the two and you'll be marveled. You'll be surprised. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye. And also share, please.